Here we are inside the 2020 Q7. I want to show off the new Apple CarPlay, which is wireless here in the Q7. Also, you'll see the wireless CarPlay in the Q8, the A8, the A6, the A7, anything with this new generation of technology with the dual touchscreens here. Now, as you can see, I have my phone here. It's not connected by any wires or cables. It is a wireless connection, and I've already synced the phone. You do need to go into your settings and hit add phone and do the Bluetooth and find it and accept it. But then once you've accepted the phone, this is what you're going to see, and you're going to have this Apple CarPlay icon. And when I hit that icon, it's going to pull up my phone on this top screen here. Not every app is going to be present on the car interface here, but it's going to show the apps that are compatible. So basically any music app, podcasts, your phone, messaging, music, maps, calendar. So you can see here I have Spotify and Audible, Amazon, Maps. Now, the coolest part about Apple CarPlay is I think people are most comfortable or more comfortable with their phones than anything else these days. And some of these onboard navigation systems can get a little confusing. So if you hook up your Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto, it's Google's version of the Apple CarPlay. You can go on your phone, for example, and right here I'm in Apple Maps. I'm just gonna hit Great Dane Brew Pub, hit directions, hit start, and then you can see that it immediately shot it right here to the car, right? So since I'm so comfortable using my phone, that took me about 3 seconds. Now I have the Great Dane plugged in to the car here. Now, if I wanted to, I could do the same thing through the car interface. I could stow my phone away. There is a wireless charger in here. If I want to put my phone down there and just charge it, out of sight, out of mind. And I can still work through the Apple CarPlay by using the car's interface. So a couple different ways you can do it here. This is going to be your home button. It'll get you back to this home screen where you can jump into your music or your messages. Now I can even say I can utilize my car with the voice to text functionality. So if you have your phone connected, it's going to be utilizing your phone, or Siri in this case. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this short clip displaying the Apple CarPlay. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And make sure you check out all of our other videos here at ZimbrickAudi of Madison. And we'll link those below as well. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. It means more to us than you know. And we'll see you soon. Thanks so much.